Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a controller to your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X device. So if you are using a DualSense or a PlayStation controller, then what you have to do is put it into pairing mode by pressing the PlayStation button and create button, which is this one next to your D-pad, together until your controller starts throbbing. Then press the Xbox icon right here. Now go to settings, swipe down to Bluetooth, make sure that it's connected, tap on manage devices, and then tap add device, Bluetooth. Find your DualSense controller on the list, and right now it's connected and you can use it straight away. And if you want to connect an Xbox controller instead, what you have to do is first enable it by pressing the Xbox button, which is located right here, and then once it's enabled you have to press and hold the pairing button, which is located in this place on it, and then you'll see the notification in the bottom right corner of your device. If your Bluetooth is enabled, just tap on this notification, and this way you'll connect your Xbox controller to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.